Hi everyone, you may have heard about a new product that's just been released into the marketplace called the Breda nippers. Well, I've just received mine. Now, I've taken them out of their packaging. They are suitable for left or right-handed people, and I have removed the cutting wheels and put them onto this side because I'm left-handed. But normally when you order them, they're set up for right-handed people, so the cutting wheels are on the other side, which is this side here. Now, one of the things you will notice is they are lighter than the general nippers out in the marketplace. The other thing you'll notice is how sexy they look. Yes, I know you're thinking sexy nippers, but honestly, there's nothing like these out in the marketplace that I'm aware of. So what I'm going to do is do a short review on them. Now, bear in mind that this review is only my personal opinion. It has no other bearing than just that. Now, I've also done a short video intro on these nippers as well. But if you don't want to see that, you can always fast forward up until the demonstration. So I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, let's give these Breda nippers a bit of a go. Now, one thing I do need to point out first is, normally when you buy these Breda nippers, they're suitable for left or right-handed people. I have taken the cutting wheels off from this side and put them onto this side because I'm left-handed. So for any people out there that are right-handed, this may look a bit odd to you, but they normally do come to you on this side, not this side. Now, the other thing you'll notice is that these cutting wheels have numbers on and they have a screw in them. Now, the advantage to this is that as they wear down, you can actually turn them to a different number on a fresh section. Now, another advantage to that is that these wheels at the back in the shaft there have grooves in them, so the actual wheels slot in. So unlike your normal nippers that can become loose and move, these won't. These will stay in there. And the other thing is too with general nippers is that most people will put texture marks on them which can wear away. These already have the numbers on to save you doing that. Now, the throat here is a wonderful design. It makes it easier on your handling of the whole nipper. Now, when you apply the force, there's 5 times the force, so you get 5 times out of it per your force, which makes it a lot easier to use. Now, one of the things that I mentioned earlier is how light they are. These are a lot lighter than your general nippers in the marketplace. These are a lot more comfortable. They've been designed for comfortability in mind, and they require very little force to push the two handles together, which means that if you have arthritis or any problems with your hand, these will make it easier for you to use than the other nippers out there. Extremely good. So anyway, what we'll do is we'll do a couple of test runs on the glass. Stained glass, beautiful. Glass blobs, great technical term, glass blobs, beautiful cut. Squares, now these are iridized squares, and I love iridized. Beautiful, just sliced through like butter. Now bear in mind, vitreous tiles, bear in mind that the Breda nippers are only suited for soft material, such as stained glass, such as Smalti. They are not suitable for hard tiles like wall tiles or floor tiles. They are not designed for those. I do believe Breda is developing a pair for just that, hard tiles and wall tiles. And so what you'll end up with is a pair for soft materials and a pair for harder materials. So if you have any questions, go to getthebreda.com and they will be able to answer any of your questions, or they will be able to tell you where to buy them. I hope that helps you on choosing your next nippers. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you around.